Hey people, I'm out riding my bike. It's a really beautiful day. I wanted to show you this. Check this out. Let me let me expand this as far as it will go. But that there, here I'll turn it sideways too so you can get it. That there's the Wasatch Front there. It's beautiful. Boy, I used to go up there and hunt deer. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I also want to show you. You see this mountain right in front of us right here? That used to be where they held Widowmaker, that motorcycle and dune buggy hill climb. Okay, so I'm going to shrink this down, get it back to normal. Okay, just stay right there. I'm putting my gloves on and we'll go for just a little bit of ride and then I'll let you guys all go. But uh, yeah, we've had a pretty good ride here. I'm probably 9 miles out, 8, 9 miles out, and we're having a good ride. It's probably 40 degrees. My hands ain't cold this time like they were last time. Okay, so let's go check this out. Okay, so we're going down the road. It's a beautiful day today. It's just me. I'm clean out here in the middle of nowhere. You know, it's where I like to ride. I've been ran over twice, so I just like to go out here where there's no cars and stuff. So I'm out here by the prison. You guys know for about the last 5 or 6 rides I've been coming out here. The reason why is because look how big this bicycle lane is, and I get to ride out here all by myself. We're in Salt Lake. People stay home. Yeah. But we're having a good old ride today. There's the old canal right there. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this town, we're turning up and you're going to be looking at, that's Draper, Utah. Now, when we turn, you probably ain't going to be with me, but when we turn and head back south, we're going to be in Bluffdale. So I'm going to cut down through Bluffdale, jet on over to 123rd, and see what's just saying. Uh, okay, so uh, okay, so yeah, that's sure a pretty mountain range right there, and right behind it, that's not Timpanogos, but they call that something else. But Timpanogos is probably right over in that area right there. This is Salt Lake City security right here. Oh. We got some geese. I can hear them, but I can't see them. They must be on the ground. Or this is at maximum security. Uh, but they're just about to move all this shit. This land has become valuable, and the big real estate guys in Salt Lake, like Ivory, Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. They just became our senators, so yeah, we're gonna move this out in the middle of nowhere so they can take advantage of this land out here. Trying to stay as dry as I can. Yeah, trying to stay as dry as I can. Yeah, my cats are gonna make it. I still got a few cats. We're all thinking they got parvo. Uh, they don't want me to bring my cats in for a while. They called me today, so I'm okay. All the cats I've got now don't seem to be affected by parvo or nothing else, so we'll go with the cats I got and see what happens. But reading about parvo, yeah, that's what it was. Okay, now we're gonna turn and go towards Bluffdale now. Yeah, I've been riding into the wind the whole time. Once I get up here and head south, I should be downwind. I should be able to really take out some speed. Right now, I'm going right to the wind, so I'm just taking it easy and slow. Once you find out about the mountain is it's not about the beginning. It's about the end. So if you go too fast at first, you're not going to make it. So brace yourself. But anyway, I'll let you guys go because I want to get a little bit more aero, a little bit more aerodynamic since I'm going right into the wind. But you guys have a great day. This is I-15 right here. I'm going right along the west-hand side of I-15. I'm headed south. This is the Oquirrh way over there, Kennecott. I'll be heading that way as soon as I get. It's just right up here about 1.5 miles. Then I'm going to turn and head west. And then when I get down to Redwood Road, I'm going to turn and head north. I'll probably pick up 98 south and head home, which is actually Sigillilly. Okay, so you guys have a great day. Be safe. Ciao.